Um, Lightening the LED is a basic application of Arduino. I observed on this experiment, when placing the LED lights, we can make a pass on off vice versa, random lamp lights and lights up down, and the source code. I conclude that the microcontroller can control the variety of applications of lightening the LED by making a software code. Melody. I observed on this experiment, you can manipulate the sounds of a buzzer. You can make a different application of sounds, alarm, and melody sounds. We put a LDR in the circuit that the function of LDR can control the slowing of sounds. I therefore conclude that buzzer can be used the microcontroller by controlling the sounds to make the alarm and melody sounds. Motor. The simple motor is a mechanical or electrical device that the motor can use a microcontroller. I observed on this experiment the simple motor can control by potentiometer and also by a program code. I conclude that microcontroller can supply the motor and controlling the speed by applying the components and Arduino program.